and dimension of the geometric figure. Remember, precision and attention to detail are key in creating a perfect drawing. If you happen to observe that the line is not perfectly straight on the initial attempt, you still have the option to erase using your finger and then redraw the line with complete accuracy. You know, with this kind of work, patience is absolutely required, concentration is incredibly important, and things need to be done well. You know what I mean, right? The crucial factor in this process is not solely about speed. It requires the appropriate amount of time to achieve the desired outcome. Currently, I am in the process of creating lines in this specific area. Once I have finished creating the lines, I will proceed to fill in the shapes. My next step involves starting to fill in the geometric shape. As you can see, I am beginning this process by using an eyeshadow that is neither too warm nor too cool. It should be a middle ground, somewhat resembling the natural shadow of the face. I am carefully filling in this entire section, while also ensuring that I blend towards the inside of the lines I drew with the pencil earlier. This meticulous approach guarantees a realistic appearance that closely resembles reality. In the realm of realistic drawings, it is widely acknowledged that the presence of harsh lines should be avoided at all costs. The key to achieving a lifelike representation lies in ensuring a high level of homogeneity, mirroring the intricacies of reality. Failing to do so would result in a cartoonish depiction, which is undesirable in this context. As I continue working on this piece, my focus is on meticulously filling in the details and employing blending techniques to create seamless transitions between elements. A significant amount of attention is dedicated to the lower section, as it requires a slightly darker shading to effectively outline the trajectory and inclination of the geometric figure. This process of gradually darkening and blending is carried out consistently throughout, ensuring a cohesive and authentic outcome. By carefully blending the lines, I am able to maintain a sense of realism and avoid any jarring elements that would detract from the overall composition. This attention to detail is crucial in capturing the essence of the subject matter and creating a visually compelling drawing. I will execute the identical procedure for the area positioned above the eyebrow, guaranteeing uniformity and accuracy in my approach. Utilizing a larger, more plump brush, I make an effort to ensure that everything appears much more homogeneous and consistent in its overall appearance.